Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome back here in my channel SP Leo. Friends, today in this video I'm sharing one of very different and unique type of designs of different footwears with you people with the super material and slip resistant sole. In this collection you will find different type of rubber made sole which is walk friendly and this is foot friendly too. So please keep in touch with this video till end so that you come to know about all these new and unique and different type of designs of these footwears which can be best fit perfect match for your lifestyle. I hope that you love to see these designs and these can be according to your taste also. So if you like this collection, please thumbs up for this video. Mean to say that just hit the like button. And if you are new here in my channel, please subscribe this video channel for more such kind of very beautiful, informative and updated collections of every new arrivals of different brands, footwear and dress designing. I'm sure you love to see these designs, and if you are interested to buy out of this collection any one pair for yourself, just go to description box where I have dropped the link of that site through which you can easily order one of the pair for yourself. Beautiful designs and styles of these footwears you are watching with different those features which are according to your taste, and these are in fashion nowadays. See, its cuts and designs are so beautiful and eye-catching that these can be perfect fit for your casual wear, formal wear, and even office wear activities. Colors are also very unique and very eye-catching type of collection of these footwears you are watching here. Why these are unique? Because of its slip resistant sole which is rubber made, and these are walk friendly, and you can easily walk or even run in these footwears on any kind of surface. Mostly these are sling back with adjustable straps or fish mouth sandals, somewhere you find closed toe also. As far as the prices are concerned, so these footwears are available in dollars, and as these are of international brand footwears, so you will find it price range from $30 to $80. Super comfortable and impressive designs of these elegant collection of different footwears you are watching here. So friends, you can also drop your valuable comment in the comment section regarding this collection, that how you find these designs, or if you want to ask about any kind of specific collections of footwears and dress designing, you are most welcome. So keep in touch and keep watching such type of different collections which are shared by SP Leo on daily basis with you people to inform you about all new arrivals of footwears and those collections which are in fashion, highly demanded by the women. all around the world. These are not only in fashion, but these are according to your lifestyle also, because you find all the designs are so practical, comfortable, simple, and stylish. You can keep such type of footwears for your casual wear, formal wear, and office wear, where you find different slip-on type of slippers and sandals, and different type of adjustable and flexible sort of strap sandals. These are easy to put on and take off. That's why these are preferred by the ladies mostly. So keep in touch with SPU channel for such type of beautiful informative videos, and take care of yourself till the next collection. Allah Hafiz.